We31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith with 31 Triple Dollar.
Well, Carson, we had a really nice weekend. It was very cool. Then we had the rain that came on Sunday. And now you say we're going to have a little dry patch for a few hours.
Yeah, literally.
Basically.
One day only. One day only. This is really our only totally dry day in your 10-day forecast. Not a washout, but we got a lot more rain to come this week. Let me show you the SkyCam network on this Monday morning. We are starting to see those clouds break up just a little bit. Got a few peaks of blue sky here in Huntsville, but most of us are still seeing that overcast picture. And as the day goes on, we'll have some of that drier air move in. Remember, we actually had a cold front move through last night, and behind that front, that drier air will allow these clouds to clear up just a little bit. And it's shaping up to be a very comfortable day across North Alabama, and the one day only deal without any rain. 31 Triple Doppler is quiet. Last of the showers moved through around 4 o'clock this morning, and we will now stay dry for the rest of the day. But as we have mentioned throughout the newscast this morning, I still want you to give yourself an extra 5, maybe 10 minutes heading out the door. The roads are drying up nicely, but there still could be a few damp spots here and there. The main concern is any leftover debris, be it any damage that we saw from those storms last night or just those tree limbs that may have gotten tossed around. So just take it slow this morning, and also keep in mind in northeast Alabama, some of those lower clouds could act as fog in a few spots. Here's what you can expect throughout your Monday. This morning, as we mentioned, might want to add in a few extra minutes heading out the door. Otherwise, it stays mostly cloudy. This afternoon, we've got clearing skies, a mix of sun and clouds, if you will. We got into the mid-90s yesterday. We will be nowhere near that today. Cooler and not too humid either. By this evening, though, those clouds start to move in, and rain is back in the forecast. Overnight tonight, really around this time Tuesday morning. Not a terrible day to be by the pool, even if it's going to be a few degrees cooler. Your forecast high is 82 with some clearing skies. I would recommend the pool time being later this afternoon until we get those clouds to clear out. Chores outdoors for the next few days. No major concerns today, although that ground is still just a bit wet. Now tomorrow and Wednesday will have the highest rain chances this week. Is it going to be a washout? No, but it's going to be that repeated rounds of rain over and over and over again, Tuesday and Wednesday. And all of that rain is going to add up, especially if we get any heavier downpours over the next couple of days. Future radar at 3 o'clock this afternoon is nice and quiet. That mix of sun and clouds stays with us all day. It's all quiet overnight tonight, but watch what happens around 5 o'clock Tuesday morning. Here comes that next pocket of rain. I will say the heaviest rain with this round tomorrow morning looks to stay just to our south, but I would still go ahead and plan on some extra time getting to your destination tomorrow morning as well. We'll keep those showers in the forecast heading into Tuesday afternoon, maybe a small break closer to dinner time Tuesday night, but another round of showers and storms will develop right on top of North Alabama late tomorrow night, lasting into Wednesday morning. And again, it's the repeated rounds of rain that's going to cause some issues. Over the next 7 days, kind of a wide range of rainfall totals, but the higher rain totals will be to our south. Places like Guntersville, Fort Payne, down towards Coleman could see 2 to 3 inches of rain just over the next 7 days, and that may lead to some flooding concerns, especially with those creeks and rivers that start to run a little high. Further north you go, up towards Fayetteville, here in the metro, Athens, and the Quad Cities. Not quite as much rain, but we'll take any rain we could get. Talking about 1 to 2 inches of rain for our northern counties. That again over the next 7 days. As you look at the 10-day forecast, I'll draw your attention to Father's Day weekend. One, to remind you that Father's Day weekend is coming up, but also those higher storm chances look to be Saturday at this point. But we'll still have the chance for a few pop-up storms as we celebrate our dads on Sunday.
And a few folks in this room needed that reminder, so thank you.
Yeah, myself included.
We love you, dads.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Thank you so much, Carson. Yeah.